The website is www.rebarsteelscheduling.com. It's a website, but you can save it to your home screen, as I have here, by tapping the three dots in your far right hand corner and then just tapping add to home screen. See it then when you open it here. You have options, select menu, free calculator, and then you can select slatted tanks or silage walls. These are the government grant specifications. And then pick the specification that suits you, and you put in the total number of outer walls, total length of outer walls in meters, the total length of spine walls in meters, if any. I put 0 here, the total amount of corners, and then just put in the job title, customer number, and then this will just tell you how much steel is in that tank that you're pricing. So it's free then, so you know there's 3.88 tons, and you can go ahead and price that job then. Now if you get the job and you want to get the detailed schedule of that, you just press get detailed schedule, put in your email address, press continue, proceed to payment. You have 3 options to pay then. One is with a card, the other is with link, the other is with Google Pay, the other is with Revolut Pay. And then what you get for that, then you get the steel schedule, you get a drawing, and you also get a VAT receipt. The cost is €30, it's €24 plus VAT. Now if you are putting in, let's say you're doing a job and you're not claiming the grant from the government and you want to put in approximately 2/3 of the steel, then you have the non-grant spec option here. The 2.4 wall, 225mm thick, the J bars are going in at 400mm instead of the government recommended 270mm, and there's 18 laces per section instead of 22. And then on the 2.7 meter high wall, 225mm thick, the J bars are going in at 300mm instead of the government spec 175mm, and again 18 laces per section. And then on the 2.7 meter high wall, 300mm thick, the J bars are going in at 350mm instead of the government specified 240mm, again 18 laces per section. And we've been doing these since 2007, and there's been no issues with any wall with that amount of steel in it, any tank with that amount of steel in it. Same thing, you just fill in whatever the length of the walls, spine walls, how many spine walls, corners, and you get the tonnage then straight away, so again you can price. If there's any problems, if for some reason you don't get your schedule, just email me at +353, and that's my phone number there then. Sorry, WhatsApp me on that number or email me. And I'm living and working in the Philippines, so it may be different time zone, but I'll get back to you within 24 hours. I'll do the schedule manually and I'll send it to you. Now, if there's any issues as regards, that's any issues if your schedule doesn't arrive. Now, if the dimensions of your tank, let's say the spine wall is generally 300mm thick, but sometimes the people need to have it 450 or 500mm thick for various reasons. Same with the outer walls. Then just send me a drawing or specifications of what you want, and I'll do the schedule manually, and I'll send it on to you, and I'll send you a bill that you can pay online. Again, the charge will just be €30. And any issues, I'm contactable the whole time. So there hasn't been any issues, and everything's been working fine so far. So.